Do you have an old Sprint phone lying around and don't know what to do with it? Well, Ting. Ting is something that I came across when my phone got shut off and we couldn't pay the bill because we were on contract. Now I'm stuck with a Sprint phone that I can't use. Well, you can always, one that is not active phone, you could use it on Ting. And Ting is cheap. It is a no contract plan, so that's a good thing for anybody, even college students. This way, you could pay 1 month, but maybe you don't have the money for the next month. So that's a good. Maybe you could lower your plan. Uh, you can pay for so many minutes, so many texts, and also however many megabytes you want for your internet. Uh, I was happy that I came across this because I don't use minutes very often, and on the plan that I'd had was unlimited everything. I don't need unlimited everything. All I need is mainly text is all I use. I'm usually home with my kids, so I have internet at home. Uh, um, Ting is great for anybody, honestly, not just college students. It is something very reasonably priced. It is used on Sprint towers, so pretty good service. Um, I live in West Virginia in lots of mountains, and I get really good service just about anywhere I go. Uh, my, I really enjoy having Ting. I will put a link below for you to check it out. You can also get $25 off a new phone. If you have an old Sprint phone lying around, then you could use that and get $25 off the plan that you choose. Um, it's a great, I think it's a great investment to do. Um, you can also post any questions below if you have them. I'll be happy to answer, and share the video so that other people can learn about Ting.